Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to create a responsive sidebar in Bubble.io. Uh, Bubble.io is a no-code web development. It's a platform that enables users to create web applications without needing uh, knowledge in coding, and it provides intuitive visual editor that allows user to drag and drop elements onto canvas to create the interface of the web application. Bubble.io also includes a robust set of features such as responsive design, database, user authentication, and API that enables users to create complex and dynamic web applications. To get started, in this tutorial, uh, I will show you how to create a responsive sidebar in Bubble.io. A responsive sidebar is a valuable feature for web applications as it helps organize content and improve the user experience. Uh, to get started, we will go to Bubble website and we will create an app. We can name our app by what will I call this sidebar practice, and we will try on copying this one. It's from dribble.com. uh, I will try to copy this design and maybe we can implement this on our bubble app. When you can see that here is when the width of the screen is for desktop, and when it compresses or decreases the width of the screen, uh, it shows like this. Only the icons are visible and the texts are not. So after creating an app and providing the name, we can skip the application assistant, close all that is popping on your editor. Then we will add, we will see what is the default width and height of this index page. You can see that in the pages tab we have many pages that Bubble created when we create an app, and it's default in there, but we can also add pages, depends on the web application that you are creating. uh, but for now we will focus on creating a responsive sidebar. uh, when creating a sidebar, we will use a floating group. We can set its container layout to align parent so that we can align our contents in the sidebar perfectly. And for the height of this, maybe we will make it 100% fixed height so that it fits on the pages. As you can see, the width maybe it is to 50. As as you can see on our example sidebar. Let's see if we are recording. Yes. uh, we'll copy also the color of this example. Pick color. uh, if you don't have this smart color picker, you can go to Chrome Web Store to install the Chrome extension. Just search for smart color picker. Detach tile, then paste the color that we copied. Then we will try to copy this logo, uh, put a group in there, set the width to I set the on the container to a row, then fix it to 100%. Height is also 100. Just make it this the fixed height. I will be using image for our logo. Set its height to 80 by 80. This will be perfect or 60 by 60. Set. We can name this group logo. And this one image logo, and put your preferred logo. For me, this one. Add padding on the group logo. Padding left to 20. Also in right 20. Then we can make this logo just like this. Its border is round. By doing that, we can go to appearance, roundness, then set to 10. Depends on your preferred design. Then add text. company name. Also add gap, apply gap spacing between elements so that they don't get together too close. Apply a column gap, then touch style, make it white. Set the font to Montserrat. We will make this height 15%. It occupies the 15% space of our sidebar. Then add another group. We're now creating the buttons. And we can name this group sidebar buttons. Make it a column group. The width is 100%. Set its fixed height to the group logo is 15%, then we can make this 85% so that it can the 100% of the space of the sidebar is occupied by the two groups, group logo and group sidebar buttons. You can see that it's properly fixed. Now we will add paddings to it. Maybe add padding left and right 20, just like the group logo. Then on top 10. We can also we can make it 20 by 20. Now we will add this text right here, the analytics. For that we will using text analytics. Set its color to color detach style, make it white, then make the opacity to 50%. The height is fit height to content 0, and make it 0. And we will add the buttons just like this, uh, but we will not using buttons. We will use a group so that we can customize our buttons just like this. But bubble has also a button element. I preferred using the group, name it group dashboard. Then we will add an icon like this. By doing that, go to plugins, add plugins, then search for material icons. It's by bubble. Go back to the design, then we can see we have a material icon. Drag this on inside of our group dashboard. Our group dashboard is fixed. We will edit that. Let me do that again. Material icon, then set its layout to row, middle, make the 35 so it become a proper square, or 30 by 30, depends on and change the material icon. Search for dashboard. We can now see different icons for dashboard, but for me I am using this, and make the color white, then change its opacity to 80%, 80 or 70. But our text analytics and group dashboards are too close. We can apply a gap between elements. We can row gap 10, as you can see that. Then after applying the icons, then we will now apply the text. Name it dashboard. Change also the text color to just like the icon color. Text dashboard, detach style, then make it white, 70. See, that's 70. And our group dashboard is, we will make it, we will apply gap spacing in elements, column gap to 10. We will preview that. Our index page is not full width. Make it full width or cost 1300. Or make it full width. My laptop size is 1360. As you can see that. And now, let me see if we are recording. When you're hovering, the box color change to, will apply also some padding in the group dashboard. Padding left, then and it's a bit rounder. Change its roundness to 10. We can achieve this hover effects in the conditional of the group dashboard. When this group is hovered, uh, background color, you can search background color, background style to solid, flat color, background color to white, then 50%. Let me see that it's too white. Maybe decrease the percent to 30. to white, change to 10. Yes. We can also add a condition in the material icon. When group dashboard is hovered, change its icon color to 100. Also, we can copy the we can also copy this expression so that we can create faster. Paste, change the text color, uh, font color to 100 also. As you can see that is one way on how to create a basic sidebar, but we will make it responsive when the screen width uh, decreases. We can achieve that by in the sidebar buttons we can set its conditional to when uh, our index width is less than or equal to 960, then no, the group uh, floating group, we change the name the floating group sidebar so that we can identify it. Change the when index width is less than or equal to 960, the width of our floating group sidebar will compress. Make width the width of the floating group sidebar is 250. We will make it 100. Why is that? Floating group sidebar. X is done.